Good morning from NPTI Tampa. I'm Pat Sherman. Hopefully you guys are ready to have an awesome week. Today is the start of our semester, 600 clock hours. The best part about our program, 218 hours. We apply the college core classroom material in a real working fashion each and every day at Calta's 24/7 Fitness, guys. You get a full membership. You're here 2.5 hours a day. Self-development's the key, but you're gonna make the mistakes with us here before you actually start working in the industry, earning an income from your clients as a personal trainer. Guys, if you need anything, give us a call, 407-772-0057. Still plenty of time to jump in this class. Need anything, we're currently enrolling our summer semester, which starts July 10th here in Tampa. I'm Pat Sherman, guys. You have a great week. Look forward to helping each and every one of you. NPTI